Hi, this is Ravan. I'm going to teach you about the installation of Power BI in Windows, and I've also give a to install or information to install Power BI desktop in Mac or iOS. Firstly, go to Chrome and type download Power BI desktop. This is the official website. You can download in this download. In In my laptop, there is a 64 operating system. In some laptops, we have 32 operating systems and less than that. So if it is that less than 32 operating system, then you need to download this PBI desktop setup. But in my laptop, most of the recent laptops and recent versions, there is a 64 version. So download this. It, now it is downloading. It takes some time to download. Now it is downloaded. Go to download. Click on it. You need to click English language settings. Give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. You need to click English language settings. Give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. You need to click English language settings. Give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. You need to click English language settings. Give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. You need to click English language settings. Give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. We need to click English language settings, give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. We need to click English language settings, give the permissions to our local system so that it will install in your system. Click next and accept the terms and conditions. Just read or glimpse it through. Next, install. Take some time to install. It's validating all the components and operating these events and organizations. Publishing product information which I have previously. Finished. Now your Microsoft Power BI desktop has installed and in your local desktop, and you can now do visualizations and data cleaning and build relationships and all that. Blank report. This is all about the this is completely the Power BI desktop. Now I will give a glimpse on how to download the Power BI desktop in OS, iOS, and Mac. There is a website called for parallel desktop for Mac. We need to convert Mac into virtual machine of Windows so that you need to try free and directly install your Power BI desktop. And other one also there, that is turbo.net for Mac. It is some you can download it and use as a virtual machine for Windows. This is all about the installation of Power BI desktop. Next class we